integers. In the previous video, we have already discussed about the introduction of integers. Now we'll be discussing in this video addition of integers and its properties. So we shall start with it. What is addition of integers? We have already learned how to add two whole numbers on a number line. Now we shall be extending the same method on integers using the number line. For example, I have drawn one number line using ruler. We have taken on the left hand side the negative values and on the right hand side the positive values. Then we'll be seeing, for example, add +7 and -4 on the number line from 0 towards the right hand side, that is positive value 7 will be going, that will be a point, and -4 after we have to do, we'll be going 4 steps back and we'll be coming to the value 3, integer value 3, that will be our point B. So B will be representing our integer 3. So final answer will be getting 3. 7 plus in bracket -4 is there, we'll be getting 3. So this was the process I have shown how we'll be showing on the number line. First of all, we'll be going from point 0 to point 7, then from coming back from 7 till 3 as 4 steps behind we have to go back. Further, we shall discuss the properties of addition on the integer. The first property states, closure property, if we are adding two integers, we'll always get an integer only. Sum of the two integers will give you the integer value only. For example, I have shown 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 8 will be an integer. Moving to the point 2, that is second property, commutative law states that if a plus b is equals to b plus a only, that is if we are interchanging the places but LHS will be equal to RHS itself only. A is equals to 5, b is equals to 3. We have taken the value of integer. 5 plus 3 will give you 8 is equals to 3 plus 5 will also give you 8. So LHS will be equal to RHS. The third property, associative law, what it states, bracket a plus b plus c is equals to a plus bracket b plus c. The basic motto of all these properties is that even after interchanging their places, we are getting the same as on LHS side and on the RHS side. Here we have taken three integer values. The first one is a is equals to 5, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 2. After placing the values, we'll be getting same LHS is equals to RHS. Moving further to a fourth property, a plus 0 is equals to a. A will be the value of the integer. Moving further with a fifth property, that is sum of the integer and its opposite is equals to 0. That is a plus minus a is there, plus minus is equals to minus only. So a minus a will be equal to 0. We'll be discussing fourth property and the fifth. Now we'll be discussing the explanation of a property 4 and explanation of property 5. The property 4 states that a, that is an integer, a plus 0 is equals to a. Here we have taken the value of a, 5. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. When in the value of integer 0 is added, we will get the same integer value. Moving further with our explanation of the property 5, a plus bracket minus a bracket close is equals to 0. Here a is a number and minus a is our additive inverse. After opening the bracket, plus minus we'll be getting minus. So a minus a will be equal to 0. This was the explanation of the properties of addition on the integers. In the next video, we'll be studying properties of subtraction on integers. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.